Welcome to Coast, an easy-to-use, adaptable software that's redefining maintenance and asset management. Our mobile-first platform is designed to work the way you do. No matter how complex your operations are, Coast allows you to create a system that fits your needs perfectly. You can tailor it to match your company's unique processes through drag-and-drop features, customizable fields, as well as automations and fully configurable workflows. Centralize asset lifecycle management, work orders, parts inventory, and service contracts in one place with our Enterprise Asset Management app that can be used at all your locations from coast to coast. By setting up Coast to match your operations, users can easily raise and track issues so that everyone from the floor to the leadership team will be on the same page. Leverage AI-summarized data to detect failure patterns and make faster decisions that reduce costs and keep equipment running longer and safer. Connect Coast with IoT devices and existing business systems to get the reporting you need to make real-time decisions. It's time to reduce downtime, lower costs, and streamline operations. Start coasting today.